Okay, welcome back to the Caribou Day Sites channel. This is Saturday evening, January 30th. I got a little sidetracked today. Sorry for the reports being a little late. Excuse me, but as the old saying goes, better late than never, right? Give me 1 second while I plug in the while I plug in the plug in my headset. Okay, so it's time to go back and do our daily database update. Let's start with JOHN Hopkins dash. Good. So let's come up here now. And as I always like to do, I like to run package update. And I'm going to encourage you also, the first time you fire your R up in the morning, run package update. Because you can save a whole lot of problems later on if you keep your system updated. You really need to keep your system completely updated. R Studio, R Tools, and all your R packages. Very, very important. I really can't emphasize the importance of this little exercise to eliminate a lot of problems. Simply put, we can't troubleshoot your code if you run a different version of R or a different version of the package, okay? There should be one more here, I think. Yes. That's interesting. Okay, I thought there was something else. I haven't found it yet. Okay, that concludes the. Let's just do one more thing over here. Let's just run our database update. First, let's update the New York Times database. Now, technically, I can't run weekly numbers yet because this only includes data up to the 29th. Okay, so I need to change that a little bit. So I'm not going to run into my weekly numbers here today. Then, okay. Let me repeat what I just said a minute ago. The uh, the data is always a day behind. So the data is through the 29th. One, it can even be as much as a day before, depending on where they are in the world when those reports are filed. Sometimes it's only the numbers will only be up to the 28th. But for the most part, for our interest, the numbers are up to the 29th. And again, you can see how really closely the two data sets match. But while all of a sudden we got this sudden spikes up here, that I don't understand yet, and I may never understand. Okay, so let's just check our database over here. We mainly use two databases. We use the Our World in Data database, which has numbers through the 29th, like I said. Our World in Data. No, they have it through the 30th. But only this handful of countries here. Okay, Argentina, Austria. So for whatever reason, these numbers are through the 30th, and these numbers are through the 29th. Okay. So that could be slightly misleading, but I don't think it's really that critical. Uh, Again, it's just a question of timing, I'm sure. Counting date is 129. Okay. So this concludes the database update for today. I'll be back in a moment with to begin my daily reports.